morning students, welcome back our chemistry online class. Already we learned everything, right? We have 5 units, already we learned. Today again we are going to study about the lesson carbon and its compounds. Okay, unit 11, carbon and its compounds. You know carbon and its compound in the sense from the naming, from the heading itself we can understand the carbon compounds. Okay, you all know what is the atomic number for carbon. Atomic number for carbon is 6. Okay, atomic number for carbon is 6. What is the symbol for carbon? Symbol of carbon is C. Okay, so in periodic table we have 118 elements. Out of this element carbon is one of the element. Okay, so carbon symbol C, carbon atomic number is 6. So in this lesson fully we are going to study about the carbon compounds. Okay, so organic compounds also we are going to study. So organic compounds in the sense mostly it contains carbon with hydrogen. You heard the word hydrocarbon. You all know hydrocarbon means carbon combined with hydrogen. That is called as hydrocarbon. So here the main thing what we are going to study means IUPAC nomenclature. This is very important for your higher studies. Whenever you are going to learn this carbon compounds, you must be known this hydrocarbons, IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. So this is very important question on GK question also mostly they will ask from this side. Okay, so here carbon symbol is C and atomic number for carbon is 6, and you know what is the mass number for carbon? Do you know mass number for carbon is 12. Okay, mass number for carbon is 12. 6 is the atomic number and 12 is the mass number. Okay. So here we are going to study about the IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature, that means we are going to give the names for this carbon compounds. That is the IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC means International Union Public Applied Chemistry. Okay, International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry, not public. International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, that is on group IUPAC. So this IUPAC only can give the names for the organic compounds. Have you understood? So here simple thing, before studying this IUPAC nomenclature we need to know the root words. Okay, root words. So root word means 1 to till the numbers 1 to 10 till, based on according to the carbon atoms we need to give the names. That is the root words. Okay, so if one compound if one hydrocarbon means already I told you that compound must be contains carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so if one compound have one carbon, if one compound have simple thing CH3, CH2, CH2, this is a hydrocarbon. Okay, so for example I am saying CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, this name you don't know, this is an organic compound, this is a hydrocarbon. Okay, you don't know, you should find out the name for this IUPAC name for this compound. Okay, so this name only now we are going to find out. This is very important basic thing. Okay, so in the 11th standard, 12th standard and any other higher classes if you are going to learn about this carbon and its compound means you must be known these things. Okay, so here 3 carbon atom is there. So now we are going to find the carbon atom. First we need to find the carbon, identify the carbon atom. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2 and 3. 3 carbon atoms, right? So we can they have a root word. So that root word we can use based on the carbon chain. We can use the root word. Okay. So before studying this IUPAC nomenclature, we can learn the root words, some root words. Okay, if one compound have one carbon atom, now this compound have how many carbon atom? 3. So if I am saying if one compound have one carbon atom means that root word is meth. Okay, if one compound have one carbon atom means that root word is meth. If one compound have 2 carbon atom, if one compound have 2 carbon atom means that root word is eth. Okay, one carbon atom means the root word is meth. 2 means earth, and 3 carbon atom means the root word is prop. Okay, 3 carbon atom means what? The root word is prop. Then 4 carbon atom, if one compound have 4 carbon atom means the root word is but. Then 5 means pent. 6 means hex. Then 7 means hept. Okay, 7 means hept. Then 8 means oct. 9 means none. 10 means duck. So these are the root words. Okay. So compound have based on the carbon atoms, we are going to give the root words. Okay. So if one compound have 1 carbon atom means that root word is meth. 2 means earth. 3 means prop. 4 but. 5 pent. Okay. Read all of you. 5 pent. Then 6 hex. 7 hept. 8 oct. 8 means if one common have 8 carbon atom means the root word is oct. Then 9 means none. Then 10 means duck. Okay. So we are going to apply the root word to find out this IUPAC name. Okay. So this is the root words. So this root word is the middle portion. Okay. And we need to apply the prefix and suffix. Okay, prefix and suffix. Some other compounds we can apply the prefix and suffix. Okay, that one now no need. So simply we can find out the IUPAC names. Okay, so here see how many carbon atom is there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so can you find out the IUPAC name for this compound? Can you find out? You all know how can we find out, right? So you can take one rough note and just you note it and you should find out. Okay, so I will explain. Okay, so here how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So 3 means what is the root word? Prop. Okay, the root word is prop. So we can write prop. Have you understood? So the next thing what we need to see means now we written the root words, right? So the next thing, the bond we need to see. Okay, so see this is a single bond, right? So single bond means each the compound must be contains one bond. Okay, at the same time if one compound have like this double bond means it will change. Okay, so triple bond means it will change. Okay, so if one compound have single bond, if one compound all the bonds are single bond. Now you see this compound to have 2 bonds, each bond is a single bond, right? So each bond is single bond means the suffix word we need to use ANE. Have you understood? The bond is single bond means the suffix word we need to use what? ANE. Okay, alkane, that contains alkane series. Okay, under that hydrocarbon we studied the hydrogen and carbon compound is called as hydrocarbon, and this hydrocarbon is classified into 3 types. Are you remember what are they? Yes, alkane, alkene and alkyne. Okay, 3 types we studied. So based on that, if a compound have single bond means that suffix word is ANE. If the compound have double bond, if the compound have double bond means that suffix word is ENE. Okay, if one compound have double bond means the suffix word double bond in the sense any one place. For example, here means we can take as ENE. Have you understood? And if one compound have triple bond means can you say the suffix word? Can you say YNE? Okay, a triple bond means the suffix word is YNE. If one compound have single bond means the suffix word is ANE. If one compound have double bond means the suffix word is ENE. If one compound have triple bond means the suffix word is YNE. Have you understood? So now we completed the root word. The next we are going to apply the word suffix. Okay, suffix. So here you see each 2 bond is there. So each bonds are single bond, right? So single bond means what we can use here? Which suffix we need to use? ANE. Have you understood? So this name is, can you read this name? Propane. Okay, this name is propane. Have you understood? So next example. This is another one example. Okay. So can you find the IUPAC name for this compound? First you need to count the carbon atoms. Okay, count the carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if one compound have double bond or triple bond or functional groups or any other things given, special things they given in the compound means, so first priority you should give that is special compounds. Okay, if one compound have functional group means first priority we give to the functional group. So now you see double bond is given. Okay, so double bond is given in this compound means first priority we should give this double bond. So near that double bond carbon atom we need to give the number 1. Have you understood? So should not start from this side, you should start from this side because this side only have double bond. If here double bond is there means we can start the number from here. Okay, so now we should give the number from this carbon. Okay, near that carbon atom only. This double bond or triple bond is given means first priority we should give these things. Okay, so we have to give the number, we should start the number from near that carbon atom. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many carbon atoms are there? Can you say how many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms, right? So 4 carbon atom means what is the root word? See, but. Okay, 4 carbon atom means the root word is but. So you can write but. Okay, and you see how many bonds here? Single bond, and here double bonds, right? So you should not no need to bother about the bonds. If it have double bond or single bond or triple bond means should not count the bonds. So if it have single bond or double bond or triple bond means we can consider that bonds first. Okay, so here double bond is there, right? So one double bond is there. So can you say what suffix we can use in this compound? Can you say? E. Okay, alkene series. This is a, so we can use E. So can you read this name? Butene. Okay, this name is what? Butene. They will ask this like compound. They will give in a question and they will ask to give the answer for this IUPAC name. Find out the IUPAC name for this compound. Like that they will ask. Okay, find out the IUPAC name for CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH3. You can find out, right? So now this name is butene. Okay, or we can write one more name also here. This double bond contains which carbon near that double bond is there? First carbon, right? So we can write 1-butene. This name is 1-butene. One more example, CH3, CH double bond, CH3. So now can you say the name? How many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. So here should not give the numbers from in between. Okay, wherever double bond is like this end or this end means we can start the number from this side or this side. Now the bond is in between, right? So you may think from here we can start like that, right? That is wrong. Should not give the numbers like that. In this side or this side you can start because in between only you have. So you don't need to bother about that bonds. Have you understood? So any one place we can use to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now how many carbon atoms is there? 4 carbon atoms. So the root word is hex. Okay, 4 carbon atom. So the root word, sorry, not hex, but. Okay, root word is but. So B-U-T, but. And see, double bond is there. So double bond means the suffix word E-N-E. Suffix word is E-N-E. And this double bond contains which carbon atom near that double bond is there? Second carbon atom. Okay, so second carbon atom near that double bond is there. So we can write the name 2-butene. Okay, this compound name is 2-butene. Have you understood? The next example. These all are hydrocarbons only because this compound contains carbon and hydrogen. Okay. So listen, now first we need to identify the carbon atoms. Okay, how many carbon atoms is there? So we can give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many carbon atoms? 6 carbon atoms. Okay, so you know 6 carbon atom means what is the suffix, what is the root word? Hex. Okay, the root word is hex. And see the bonds, triple bond is there, right? Triple bond. Triple bond means what is the suffix word? YNE. Okay, triple bond means the suffix word is YNE. So YNE. And which carbon near the triple bond is the first carbon? So 1-hexane. Name is 1-hexane. Okay. So if the triple bond is present here means we can write 2-hexane. If here double bond means we can write 1-hexene. Okay, single bond means we can write 1-hexane. Have you understood? So these are the hydrocarbons. These are the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so in this IUPAC nomenclature, we need to give the name for the carbon compounds. Okay, carbon and hydrocarbons. Okay, so next we are going to study about the functional group. Okay, functional group. As we know the basic 4 functional groups, that is OH, CHO, CO, CO, OH. Okay, what are the functional groups? OH, CHO, CO, CO, OH. Okay, so OH means that is the alcohol. Okay, OH means what? Alcohol. So if one compound have OH means what suffix we can add in this compound means OL. Okay, if one compound for example CH3, CH3 OH. Okay, this is a compound. So it contains OH groups. Okay, OH group means that is the alcohol group. What is the functional group? Should find out. What is the functional group? OH. Okay, OH means that is a alcohol group. Okay, so alcohol group is present there means we can use the suffix word OL. Okay, OH group is there means we can use the suffix word OL. And CHO means that is aldehyde. Aldehyde. So aldehyde is there means we can use the suffix word Al. Okay, aldehyde means we can use the suffix word Al. Example CH3, CHO. So here what is the functional group? CHO. CHO means that is a aldehyde. Okay. The next is CO. CO means that is a ketone. Okay. That name is ketone. So here the suffix word we can use ONE. Okay, suffix word ONE. The last one COOH. COOH means that is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Here we can use the suffix word ONIC, acid. Okay. ONIC, acid. This suffix word you can use. Okay. So for functional group, what are the functional groups? OH, CHO, CO, COOH. Okay. OH means that is a alcohol group. Okay. OH means that is a alcohol group. Now alcohol group, what suffix we can use? OL. Okay. Alcohol, we can use the suffix word. The suffix word is very, very important to write the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, OH, if one compound have OH is there means we can use the suffix word OL. And if one compound have CHO means that is named as aldehyde group. Okay, CHO means that is named as aldehyde group. In this aldehyde group, the suffix word what we can use? Al. Okay, the suffix word is Al. And CO, it was named as ketone. CO means it is named as ketone. The suffix word, what suffix we can use? ONE. And COOH. COOH is there means that is named as carboxylic acid. If one compound have COOH group means what suffix we can use? ONIC, acid. Okay. An example, CH3OH. So CH3OH. This is an example. You should find out the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, IUPAC name. So here how many carbon atom is there? How many here? The bond did not mention in a compound means you should consider that is a single bond. Okay, you should take that bond as a single bond. Now you see how many carbon atoms present in this compound? Only one carbon atom, right? One carbon atom means, can you say the root word? One carbon atom means the root word is meth. The root word is meth. Okay. And the bond is what? The second thing you should see the bond. Okay, so first thing root word, then second thing bond, then third thing functional group. Okay, so here the root word is meth and the bond is single bond. So single bond means the suffix ANE. Okay, ANE. So here the functional group is OH, right? Alcohol group. Alcohol group means what suffix we can use? OL. So you remove this E and you should write, instead of this E, you should write OL. Okay. So this name is methanol. Okay. This compound name is what? Methanol. Have you understood the namings? The next example, CH3CHO. CH3CHO. So here you see how many carbon atom? One carbon atom. This C should not consider this C because this is a functional group, right? CHO is a functional group. Which functional group? Aldehyde. So here how many carbon atoms? Only one carbon atom. So one carbon atom means the root word is meth, right? So meth. Here no bonds given, right? So that is considered as ANE. So methane. ANE and CHO, that is an aldehyde group. So you have to you should remove this E and you can add Al. So this name is methanane. Okay. So otherwise you can say this name methanaldehyde. Okay, methanaldehyde. Have you understood? So this is the IUPAC namings. Okay. So I hope you all studied this IUPAC namings and carbon and its compounds and their IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, study well and work out this all this root words. Okay, all this carbon compounds you should work out it. Thank you.